Sexy. You know what I'm saying? He play them notes that just be, it be below the sub, it be below, it's the real, the love below, nigga, it's the real. He goes in, he does his thing. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for my brother, Mr. Omar Hunter on the bass, y'all. On the drums, the man who keeps the time. This man's one of the baddest motherfuckers I know. And he cared about y'all so much, Cradle. He had a shape up right before he came on stage tonight. Shout out to my man Ken. Where you at, baby? My man Ken is sharp on the clippers. Make some noise for my brother Biscuit, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Biscuit. They call him Biscuit because it's so sweet. And just like that biscuit, you would take that motherfucker and you would break that shit off and you put it in that plate.
What do you do, Jack?
Slop it on up. You don't let none of that fall off, oh no. You put that motherfucker, you whip it, you take that plate, you put it down and you just slop it on. On the keys, some of y'all might remember this brother as my Jerry Curl, the co-conspirator. It's on Sigalo Love the 80s album. And this man is, I'm proud to call him my friend, my brother, one of my greatest, most favorite cats to collaborate with. He's one of the greatest musicians I know. And he's making his very first appearance here tonight. So please show your love for my brother from another. Give it up for Soul, y'all. He got on the hat like Jimmy Jam tonight, goddamn. Oh, Jam. On the vocals. Well, you know what? I'm gonna come back to that. We gonna go right here. This is the man that's sitting there for us for the first time on the guitar. Now, let me explain y'all the difference. See, bring it out a little bit. Let me explain it. Bring it out just a little bit. Bring it a little bit. See, there's a difference. There are people who play guitar, and then there's motherfuckers that play the guitar. There are plenty of people who play the guitar. But when I want a motherfucker that play the goddamn guitar, give it up for my man, Mr. Chris Burner, ladies and gentlemen. Moving right along to the vocal side of things. This is a brother who he kind of stepped away for a little bit. I think they like you, bro. I think they like you.
I know they like it.
This is a brother who he kind of stepped away for a little while, and you can see him at the Bank of America. Which one? At the RBC, I'm sorry, at the RBC. We keeps it real, ladies and gentlemen. So, after the show tonight, come Monday morning, you want to stroll through the RBC. He'll not only sing some, he'll make the deposits for you, ladies and gentlemen. You need them loans, he got that.
Bring your money to that man right there.
For real. So, ladies and gentlemen, he stepped up for a little bit, but he's back in the fold now, and I'm so glad to be back. So please give a warm round of applause for my brother, Mr. Darian Brockington, y'all. I see you with the Pee Wee Herman suit on, son. I see you. Now, move right on to this lady that stands to the left of me. This all the way back to North Carolina Central University. Hey man, hey, you might not want to do that tonight.
Come on.
I know we in CARRBORO, but nigga, this Durham, okay? Durham is in the building. East Durham, as a matter of fact. So me and this young lady, we go way back, and I try to make her part of every project that I do. I keep trying to fire her, but I just can't do it. She finds her way back on everything. But she's one of my dearest friends and probably the greatest singer that I personally know, and I love her to death. Make some noise for my friend and my sister, the lovely Miss Yazara, y'all. I think they like it. Now, as we move to the other set of keys, set of the keys. This is when we talk about bring it down a little bit. Let's bring it down a little bit. You see, y'all, when we talk about the album Leave It All Behind, there's nobody's life who I feel personifies the meaning of that title more so than this man. Because not only did he leave behind his own country and everything that was familiar to him, he came here because he knew he could make it and he knew he had a dream. And he followed his heart, not only his musical heart, but also for love. And it takes a very brave and courageous motherfucker to do that. So please, ladies and gentlemen, making his very first appearance ever at the Cat's Cradle, I want y'all to show your love for my brother, about to do is, I say what we're about to do is just stop it all.